qualify for the Golden Pledge warranty from GAF, the 50-year warranty for the shingle and 25 years on the label, you have to install 5 GAF accessories along with Timberline Shingles. Rich is going to explain what we're looking at here.
Alright, when we start here, we start with our secondary water barrier. We actually use a 30-pound felt underneath of that. It's part of our high-velocity hurricane zone system. Above that, we go with the StainGuard 200. That's the white you're seeing right here. The next piece is the GAF Pro starter strip. That's actually how we start a row of shingles. This goes at the bottom edge, like right here. And then the shingles will actually lay over top of it. That's the next part of our system. So we go StainGuard, we go to starter strip, we go to our shingles. After that, we're going to move to our hip and ridge, and we'll go over that in a second. But when we start shingling, the starter strip goes over it like this. That way we have the bond of the two to hold the shingles together so the wind can't pull the shingles up off the roof system. As we approach the top of the roof, we get to the top, and then we use our sealer ridge right here. They come in 3 pieces, and they get broken up. So as the shingle comes up over the roof, the sealer ridge will go over it, and they'll lay over it. And they're laid in the direction against the prevailing wind. So these shingles, we're actually going to start at this end of the roof and come this way, because in a storm the wind will typically come out of the south and out of the east. So the hip and ridge is assembled to work against the wind. If we get into ventilation, with a GAF system, we prefer to use the Cobra Exhaust vent. That goes across the top of the roof, and it'll lay down over the edge. As we get to the top, we will cut a slit in the roof so the roof can breathe out the top. The other option would be on the roof next to us, where you see the goosenecks over there. That's not our preferred method of ventilation because they can get damaged and they're not part of the warranty system.
Those are the 5 accessories along with the Timberline HDZ Shingles that we use to qualify for the Golden Pledge warranty. That Golden Pledge warranty can only be installed by a Master Elite contractor, which is only 2% of the nation's contractors, which we're proud to be a member of the GAF Preferred Contractor community.